Ram has officially pulled the covers off the 2027 Ram Power Wagon, and it's clear this legendary off-road pickup is doubling down on its hardcore roots. Built as the most capable factory-produced off-road truck in Ram's lineup, the latest Power Wagon blends brute strength, modern technology, and rugged design in a way that few rivals can match. At first glance, the 2027 Power Wagon looks more aggressive than ever. A revised front fascia features a bold grille design, beefier skid plates, and improved approach angles for extreme terrain. New LED lighting signatures not only sharpen its visual presence, but also enhance visibility during night trail runs. Ram has also introduced new wheel designs wrapped in massive all-terrain tires, along with fresh exterior color options that emphasize the truck's adventurous personality. Under the hood, the 2027 Ram Power Wagon continues to prioritize raw capability. While Ram hasn't fully detailed every engine option yet, the Power Wagon is expected to retain a high-output gasoline V8 or an advanced electrified powertrain, delivering immense torque for crawling over rocks, towing heavy loads, and powering through deep mud or snow. A heavy-duty suspension with upgraded shocks, locking front and rear differentials, and a factory-installed electronic disconnecting sway bar ensure maximum articulation and control in extreme off-road conditions. One of the Power Wagon's standout features remains its factory-installed winch, a rarity among production trucks. Paired with reinforced bumpers and underbody protection, it makes the 2027 model trail-ready straight from the showroom. No aftermarket upgrades required. Inside, the cabin strikes a balance between toughness and comfort. Durable materials are designed to handle dirt, water, and hard use, while premium touches elevate the driving experience. A large, high-resolution infotainment screen supports the latest connectivity features, including wireless smartphone integration, off-road performance pages, and multiple camera views to help drivers navigate tight trails. Advanced driver assistance systems have also been updated, making the Power Wagon more confidence-inspiring both on and off the road. With the 2027 Power Wagon, Ram isn't just chasing trends, it's reinforcing its reputation for building trucks that work hard and play even harder. For off-road enthusiasts who want uncompromising capability without sacrificing modern tech and comfort, the latest Power Wagon stands as one of the most compelling heavy-duty pickups on the market.